Continue. So it first should be pro. Like respond to customer feedback, not one simply.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to present global operations, and the topic for presentation is the lean implementation of environment sustainability in global logistics, a case study of DHL Express. And our group includes four members: me, myself, Donna, Jolie, Abdul, and Stefan. This presentation explores how the lean production principles can improve operational efficiencies and promote sustainability within the global service operations. We select DHL Express as our focus company because of its global presence, extensive logistics network, and strong commitment to environmental responsibilities. Throughout this presentation, we will connect learn theory with real world logistics practices to how operational excellence and sustainability can coexist in this globalized world. And in this slide, we can see that the globalization has transformed service industries by increasing competitions, accelerating technologies innovations, and has main customer expectations along these changes. And there is growing pressure for business to operate sustainability and responsibly. Lean production provides a framework to address both of these challenges to improve efficiency and eliminate waste and support environmental goals at the same time. The objective of the presentation is fivefold. First, we will provide a brief historical view of lean production. Second, we will analyze DHL operations for areas. And third, we will evaluate the environmental impact on lean practices. And fourth, we will recommend a lean strategy for DHL family. Finally, we will identify potential challenges and propose mitigation solutions. All these objectives are directly linked to the learning outcomes, which focuses on evaluating the impact of globalization on logistics, supply chain management, and the environment. Moving on to the next slide, it's like the lean production history and key principles. In this slide, we can see that the lean production is originated in the post-war Japan through Toyota Production Systems, a manufacturing philosophy designed to maximize the customer's value and the minimizing of waste. Over time, this approach evolved beyond manufacturing and become a global model for operating excellence. The core principle of a lean are to define value from the customer's perspective, map the value stream to identify inefficiencies, create smooth process flows, and establish systems that align with the real demand and pursue continuous improvement of perfections. The main aim is to create more value to fewer resources. As Nurjaman in 2020 explained that lean focus on the waste reduction continues to drive productive and across industries, and these principles are now widely adopted in services sectors such as healthcare, banking, and logistics, where efficiency and customer satisfaction as the key-driven success. In this context, it helps to organization like DHL streamline operations, reduce cost, and to improve the environmental performance at a global scale. Moving on to next slide. It's by Stefan. I hand over to Stefan.
Yeah, and the next slide is about globalization and service operations. Globalization has dramatically reshaped how service operations are designed and managed. Today, customers expect faster, more reliable, and more sustainable delivery service, regardless of location. The increased demand plays uh, purest of global logistics network as in 2023 highlights lean production offers a structured approach for achieving efficiency, flexibility, and quality with the complex global system. Uh, Thomson in 2024 notes that sustainability is now an internal part of logistics innovation, not just a corporate social responsibility. Therefore, lean and sustainability completes each other. Lean minimizes waste and inefficiencies, while sustainability minimizes environmental harm. Together, they are able global service organization to meet the demands of an on the basis of customers. Now we are moving to the next slide. Company overview. DHL Express. DHL Express is a leading global logistic provider uh, operating across more than 220 countries and territories. Its core service include parcel collection, storing, and express delivery. Uh, in in 2050, showing that environmental performance is central to its long-term goals. Lean production principles align naturally with DHL's operational vision. By focusing on uh, improvement, waste reduction, and standardization, Lean provides DHL with the tools to manage growing global demand efficiency while staying aligned with its sustainability objectives. So, this combination of operation and environmental properties make DHL an ideal case of exploring lean implementation in the global logistics. So, now we are moving to the next slide, operational focus area. For mainly this analyze our chosen operational focus area in parcel storing and last mile delivery. This stage represents the heart of DHL's logistic network and in highly resource. It directly influences delivery speed, accuracy, and environmental impact. Certainly, the main challenges in the process including urban delivery routes. Uh, Addressing these issues through lean implementation can generate measurable improvement uh, in efficiency, cost averaging, and environmental performance. Uh, the balance side will taken by my one of my friend.
Next slide, I am talking about lean strategy of DHL. To address these challenges, we recommend lean strategy focus on two tools, value stream mapping and just-in-time GIT. Value stream mapping enables DHL to visualize every step in it's a parcel journey from collection to delivery, highlighting where time and resources are wasted. According to Great Minds 2024, VSM helps to identify inefficiencies and non-value adding steps, allowing targeting improvements. Just in time, on the other hand, ensures that operation flows smoothly with the parcel sorted and dispatched precisely when needed. This reduces idle time, storage space, and unnecessary movement. When combined with the digital tracking system, GIT can significantly enhance visibility and coordinations. But ETL 2025 emphasizes that integrating lead tools with advanced data analytics strengthen both operational and sustainability outcomes. Therefore, applying VSMS and JT together would help DHL eliminate process bottlenecks, optimize routes, and lower emissions. Next slide, I am talking about the environmental impact evaluation. The implementation of lean principles can generate a significant positive impact on DHL's environmental performance. First, optimized routing under JIT reduce fuel consumptions and lowers CO2 emissions, which is critical for company with a large vehicle fleet. Second, by the streaming parcel handling and sorting, lean emission energy use in facilities and reduces material waste. According to DHL Group 2023, these improvements align with the company's sustainability to roadmap and its goal of achieving carbon neutrality. Inbound Logistics 2025 also lists DHL among top 75 green supply chain partners worldwide, recognizing its continued progress towards sustainability leadership. Therefore, lean implementation not only support operational efficiency, but also strengthen DHL's environmental responsibility. The environmental benefits occur both logically through reduced emissions, specific delivery zones, and global through improvements in energy efficiency across the supply chain. The next slide is implementation challenges. Despite these advantages, implementing lean practice in good global organization like DHL presents several challenges. One key barrier is to employee resistance. Introducing a new process often meets hesitations, especially when it disrupts established routines. To overcome these, employees must understand the long-term benefit of lean. A second challenge is the upfront of required for staffing and digital tools. These initial costs may be substantial but are necessary for sustainable outcomes. Third, integrating lean tools such as VSM and GIT with existing IT system can be complex, requiring strong technical coordination. Finally, during the transition phase, lean standardization may reduce flexibility. However, this issue can be omitted with a strategic planning leadership committed and faces implementation. The next slide is one of our group member will explain.
To ensure successful lean implementation, several mitigation strategies should be applied. First, targeted staff training and change management programs are crucial. Employees need to be engaged early to build understanding and commitment. Second phase is rollout helps control risk and allows DHL to rest lean tools on smaller scales before full development. Third, continuous performance monitoring using key metrics such as energy uses, delivery speed, and error rates ensure progress is tracking accurately. Fourth, strong leadership and transparent communication maintain elegant to motivate throughout the organization. Um, Next slide is conclusion and strategic recommendations. To conclude, Learn Production provides DHL with a powerful framework to achieve operational excellence and environmental sustainability stimulation. By implementing value stream mapping and just in time, DHL can streamline parcel delivery process, reduce waste, and enhance customer satisfaction. We recommended three forwarding looking strategies. First, combine lean tools with digital green logistics technologies such as AI-based routine optimized. And second one is integrate sustainability key performance, indicate indicate into lean process to measure environmental process. And the third one is scale successfully lean practice across global operations to ensure consistency and long-term benefits. And reflection and closing. Completing these projects gave our team valuable insight to how learned principles apply to both operations and collaboration. We learned that lean not to only about process improvement, but also about teamwork, adaptability, continuous learning. To our group of our facing challenges such as time management and coordinator, but we manage team through weekly virtual meetings, sharing planning documentation and clear role divisions. Each member contribute unique skills, research, analysis, design, and communications. Thank you.
Thank you. This is our presentation. And everyone, thank you for your cooperation. Bye.
Thank you very much.